Hello. He's very beautiful.
You're a star now, George.
You're a star. I'm going to put you on YouTube.
You'll make a fortune too.
Yeah.
All these flies, they're hanging around here.
I know, they've been coming back, haven't they? The freaky ones. There's a male, and there's a female, supposedly. There's some more in here. Oh, you're very pretty too. Yes, you are. Oh, you're very pretty too. Oh, look at you. This one's asleep. That one's pretty. Oh.
What's he doing, mate? They're Alex's. Almost Alex. That's a pair. That's what he'll end up with, the black and the pink around the neck. It's only 3.5 months old. Not fully weaned yet. So.
He's hungry. Oh.